Wow, Kiana, look. Open your present. What did you get?
Let's see what you got.
What you got?
Oh, look.
What is it?
Dora and
Dora and
Friends.
Friends.
Oh.
Shampoo, body wash set.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Here, let's show everybody.
That's nice.
That's nice.
Okay, is there anything else in there?
What else is in there? Oh.
What is it?
Dora and Friends Magical Smile Set.
Oh, that's cool, Kiana.
Cool.
Kiana, can you turn this way?
We can turn this way.
That's nice.
That's nice.
Okay, can you say thank you for watching? Okay, say bye.
Bye.